Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my appearance for today. I just felt like being comfy. So we're working with this very comfy gray sweatshirt today. I'm very excited to film this video today. This is a video that was actually brought up to me by a subscriber, so shout out to you. Oh, so her name was Hira, so shout out to Hira if you're watching this. Thank you so much for giving me the idea of doing this. I know we spoke yesterday about it, but I'm so excited to be filming this video for you guys. So basically, when I first started YouTube, I was subscribed to this girl called Annie Dubé. Still subscribed to her, and she is very good with giving advice on different things to use to grow your channel and stuff. And one of the things she mentioned was tubebuddy, and I really didn't think much of it at the time. But as I learned more and more about the app and subscribed to it and all that stuff, then eventually I was really getting a lot more views, usually getting about 5 or 6 views per video, and now my highest one is at 150, which is a huge difference thanks to tubebuddy. And just a little disclaimer, I am not affiliated with tubebuddy or anything like that, so this is all just my personal opinions of the app and how it's helped me grow as a small YouTuber. So if that's the type of video you're interested in, then just keep watching. So the first thing I really like about tubebuddy is the video section. The video section really helped me at first because when I was putting out my first few videos on YouTube, I didn't have any sort of checklist to kind of guide me on what to do, like putting in tags, putting in hashtags in the description, posting your videos on other social media platforms so it could get more traction, just all this different stuff that I didn't even think about. So on the app, which you'll see because I'm going to be screen recording it on my phone and adding it into this video, as you can see, there's a huge checklist on things that you need to do. I personally don't do all of them. I don't really know how to use Twitter still, which is kind of embarrassing, and I feel like everyone knows how to use Twitter but me. But I just don't use Twitter, and so I never posted on my Twitter because I have like 1 follower on there. But I pretty much follow all the other rules. Pretty much typically follow all the things on the checklist because it's a really good guide for me. Also, another great feature when you click on your video is there is a suggested tags list for you. So it's gonna give you like probably 200-ish different types of tags to put in your video. And what I normally do is I'll usually just pick the ones that are actually relevant to my video. I have found through the app that there's a lot of ones that just like don't have to do with my video at all, and I don't want to mislead anyone. I don't want to put in random tags. Also, I don't know if it has to do with kind of getting messed up in the algorithm and the algorithm getting confused, but I feel like that could happen. I kind of like to keep it at least in my niche. It doesn't get confused or put out to somebody who most likely won't be interested and won't watch the video. And then the next section I really like from tubebuddy is their milestone section. So this really has nothing to do with gaining subscribers and gaining views and all that stuff, but it is really nice. So pretty much the milestone thing will just tell you once you get 100, it'll say, oh, you hit a milestone, and I think every milestone is like every 10 subscribers you reach, but it kind of is just a nice reminder to say, hey, like you're growing, you're doing well, keep going. So I think it's a really good motivational thing that they added into their app, so I really like it. I also wanted to include this because I feel like a lot of people have asked me about the screenshot, which is above, and everyone's asked me where I've gotten my 100 subscribers screenshot, if YouTube sent it to me or how it worked, and no, I didn't get it from YouTube. So it's on tubebuddy, and they send you these things for 1,000 subscribers, like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, however far up you get in subscribers, they send you that stuff. So I really like it. And the menu section is pretty much the biggest section that is in tubebuddy. So the first thing that's probably one of the most helpful things in the app is the Tag Explorer. And pretty much what the Tag Explorer does is it'll tell you pretty much what your competitiveness is for a video. So like people who are watching it, the amount of people who are posting stuff about it, or the amount of people who are searching it, the amount of people who are posting stuff about it, and what your competitiveness is pretty much compared to other YouTubers. So on the side, as you can probably see, it'll say something like good or very good chance of you getting noticed, but then there's a lot of ones where it'll say like low chance because it's so competitive. So you just have to watch out for that. I personally mostly focus on my title for this because I feel like having a good title that is really high in search but not high in competitiveness is really, really good and it will really help me. But you can also do this for your like 500 words worth of tags, and I'm sure that this would make you gain so many subscribers because that you're posting tags that a lot of people look up but not a lot of YouTubers are posting about, so then you will be in high demand for those people who are searching for that content, which will really help your channel. And then another feature that is in this is the video planner. So I personally just plan my videos on my Google Docs, on my notes sometimes, and I have a whole list of videos that I'm planning on doing in the future. So that's kind of how I plan, but I still think this is really helpful for somebody who might want to be organized and just have like all their planning stuff and all their checklists and everything on one specific app. So I think this could really help somebody who was looking to just have everything in one place. I personally just like planning it on my laptop, but that's just me. But that's just another thing that they have for a feature on there as well. And then another thing that they might have is like tag lists, so you can like put all the tags you want to use in this specific place, which is really helpful. Again, I don't use this. I probably should, but I do not. I just use the suggested tags, Tag Explorer as well to help me. And that's kind of how I get my videos out there. They've improved so much over the course of the month. But those are pretty much the main things that I use on TubeBuddy. It's helped me a lot. TubeBuddy, just so you guys know, is I think at $3.99 for new creators. I think it's a little bit more expensive for creators who have more of a following, but I wouldn't know because I'm not there yet. But for creators who have more of a following, I think that it costs just a little bit more, but really like that they have a good rate for people who are just starting out, because I feel like people who are just starting out don't really want to invest a lot of money until they know that YouTube is for them and they love doing it and stuff like that. So I think that it's really cool that they kind of have a low rate where you can still gain traction, still grow your channel, but do it on a budget, which is super important to me, and I'm sure it's very important to you guys as well. But that is pretty much how I use TubeBuddy. If you were that subscriber who asked me about TubeBuddy, then I hope I answered all your questions. If you're just watching this, then I hope I answered all your questions as well. If you guys have any other questions about TubeBuddy and how to use it and stuff like that, then feel free to comment down below and I will help you to the best of my abilities by responding, or you can direct message me on my Instagram and I will work with you there as well if it's a longer sort of problem that you need help with. If you like this video, please subscribe. It would really, really help my channel. And also another thing, if you're not subscribed to me or you just want to know about TubeBuddy, I left it to the end because I didn't want you to have to listen to this if you didn't want to, but pretty much I am doing a small reform of my channel. It's not going to change much, but I just wanted to make you guys aware of it. So pretty much I do want to do professionalism videos, I do want to do budgeting videos, but I also want to do a lot of lifestyle and different tips for my videos. I feel like I have a lot of knowledge on college tips and stuff like that, and I want to be able to share that as well. And I have a lot of different advice, but it's not necessarily like in that sort of category. So I'm changing it more so to a lifestyle and professionalism channel because I really want to help people to the best of my ability and in the different things that I'm very knowledgeable on. So I really hope you guys still stay subscribed, and this isn't going to be very different of my channel. I just wanted to make you guys aware, and if you guys ever have certain videos that you would rather have me post, then I am open to you guys telling me. Then I am open to hearing you guys' ideas and I will do my best to post them. But that pretty much completes the video. I just wanted to make you guys aware. Please subscribe and like the video if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Love how we flow through your cherry lane, baby, 'cause you help me find my way home, even when I'm alone. No matter where I may roam, you help me find my way home. You help me find my way home. No matter where I may roam. You will me